there's the door where I've just come in, and as you see, it's quite compact and quite small. The bathroom is really good, it has everything that you need. Hi! Got a rainfall shower head and some toiletries, which is actually Baylis and Harding. So yeah, really nice shower. Again, Baylis and Harding toiletries there. Nice sink, toilet, bin, everything in there. And then you've got a hair dryer, a place to hang your coats, the air conditioning. You've also got a plug socket here. And this is where you can hang your coats or things in your suitcase. Excuse my luggage everywhere I've just got here. But this is the bed, and it's got everything that you need. I love the plug sockets right on the wall there. Lovely illustration of the map of London and massive TV. Last time I stayed here I had a view of the actual train station, and this time I have a view of what looks like some offices, but I'm still happy with that. It's pretty nice. And then you've got room for your bits there. You've got under bed storage, which I will put my suitcase in later on this evening. And the coolest thing about this room is it has a temperature control, a do not disturb sign,